Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to be running you through our brand new sales variation feature. So here I am on an Amazon product which has variations, and I'm sure many of you know it's really difficult to understand how popular each individual variant is because the ratings are split across all the variants. So these reviews just here, it's got 219, but this is for all of the different variants, not just for this one we want to analyze. The same with the sales rank as well. So the sales rank is split between all the different variations, so it can make it really hard to understand if the product you're actually buying is one of the popular ones, or are you going to send it into Amazon's warehouse and it doesn't sell. So with our new variation sales feature, you can actually see the popularity of each variant on the listing. So let's take a look to see how this works. So I'm on this product, this Pokemon Selection Mewtwo play figure, and this listing at the moment has 12 variations, as you can see just here. Now, if we load up the Profitl Chrome extension just here, you'll see a brand new button called View Variation Sales. So let me show you how that works. All you have to do is click View Variation Sales, and just like that, that's going to load up the sales for each of these variations. Now, the variation you'll be looking at, or the product you're analyzing, will be on the top. So we can see that this total listing is selling between 60 to 90 units a month. So not bad sales, but we want to know how much our actual product is selling. So we can see that this one, the one we're looking at, is actually selling between 6 to 9 units a month. The most popular one is the Charizard, and then it's the Blastoise. And this gives you a really good understanding and can save you from a lot of bad buys. Now, I'll just show you one more example of another product just so you get a full understanding of how it does work. So here, if we go on this Rimmel product just here, and let's just click calculate again and make sure we've got all the correct data. Cool. So as we can see on this one actually has 40 variations. So this is capped at 20 variations just to ensure reliability, but the product you're analyzing will always be displayed so you can see exactly how much it is selling a month. So the total listings sales on this one is really high. So you may think, well, great, I'm buying this product, I'm going to send it in and it's going to sell loads. And look at the sales rank as well, really low, but it doesn't give us the full picture. So let's click View Variation Sales. So now we can see how popular this actual variant is. So we're looking at the Guilty variant one, and it's actually only selling 26 to 39 units a month. So that may give you a different understanding of your product. We can see the most popular one is the Transparent. That's selling between 704 up to 1036. And then we've got this one here, Sexy Santa. So the most popular one by far is this Transparent one. So that's how the new variation sales feature works. We hope you find that useful. If you do have any questions about how it does work, just let us know in the comments and we'll get them answered for you. But thank you so much for watching, and we have lots more features on the way.